Your path to innovation and efficiency begins here. Jüke is your reliable partner for the development and production of high-precision technical systems. For more than 35 years, leading companies in medical technology, analytics, and photonics have relied on the expertise of our 150 experts. Benefit from our tailor-made solutions that translate your requirements exactly into market-ready and innovative products. Our expertise in design, electronics, and software guarantees technical excellence that accompanies your products throughout the entire life cycle. Rely on our expertise in the production of complex assemblies and devices. We manufacture both series products and prototypes for you. Thanks to our flexible production processes and state-of-the-art CNC technology, we guarantee you the highest efficiency and precision. Our strategic purchasing experts minimize your costs and risks while optimizing delivery times. With our experience and extensive supplier network, we secure stable supply chains for you. In the area of regulatory affairs, we provide the required technical documentation, carry out normative tests on your products, and accompany your products safely to the market. At Jüke, we rely on long-term partnerships based on trust, quality, and success. As an owner-managed family company, we stand for sustainable values in order to ensure a livable environment for future generations. Jüke. Ideas in technology.